justice without fear and without favor?
Well, whoever goes to, to the court or goes to the judiciary also must goes with the clean hands. In this instance, I think going to court or believing in judiciary has been there over the years. But the most important thing that we must come to also ask ourselves is, do we really need a judiciary in this instance? Have their rights be trampled upon? One of the requests made, and so ridiculous, is that when they are going to use the Eagle Square, they should remove the barbed wires, remove the gates. In other words, also planning vandalization. They want to vandalize the Eagle Square. And in economics, we call it the Cobra effect. And that means that in your attempt to solve a problem, you are ending up creating more problems. And so you are telling us to come and destroy our national facilities, all because you needed to be in there. And so would this really say that they have not given them audience? Would they really say that, oh, we're not treated fairly, and then for that reason we go to court? I think the issue of judiciary does not arise in this instance until probably there's a fundamental issues where we have, maybe like I always said, the role of engagement when we talked about security agencies also have to be well defined.
Yeah, which is why I said if all else fails.
When that will not, it won't get to that level yet, because for now, like Doctor mentioned, all responsible, I'm going to use the word responsible, all responsible organs and institutions have withdrawn from this protest. So whoever is coming at this point can be as well be tagged as, bandits.
Irresponsible.
Well, of course, once they become responsible, they can be even used as bandits, of course. Because, yes, this is from the areas where they are threats to our national peace and security. The moment they have come and unregistered, unknown people, they are threats to our national peace and security. And that we're not going to allow that to happen. So that is where we need to define the roles of the security agencies. People will not come, started burning quotas, started breaking, facilities that we used our national money to get over the years, and then we say because they are Nigerians, we should leave them. Some of the Boko Harams we've had in the past are Nigerians. Bandits, some are Nigerians. We've had a lot of people that are Nigerians that have created problems for Nigeria. And that is not what happened, even arising from the NSAS protest. We know some business people that lost their business all because in Nigeria decided to loot from their stores. So that will not arise. This is where I want the media also to get involved, as giving an appropriate reportage of what they are going to be doing. Because what leads to the shooting will not be known. It's only when there's a shooting that we cover. And so let's believe that we have come to believe that the government have addressed some of the fundamental issues. And so it is left to the people to equally use their sense to understand that government, in fear, not like a fear per se, but in respect to Nigerians, have accorded them that respect and have been issued, told them that we are working on this issue. So there will be no need for any court matters. All right, this is not, this is not an election issues that we're going to go to court after election.
All right, Dr.
This is purely issues of engagement.
We would like to break now to pay some bills, and we have to thank Professor Joseph Ochogu, who is DG of Institute of Peace and Conflict Resolution, who joined us via Zoom.